Sending money from Mexico to Canada can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to determine the purpose of the transfer, as this will help you choose the best method. If you are sending money to a business or for personal use, you may need to provide different information. Next, you need to gather the required information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Canada. You will also need to have your own identification and bank account information in Mexico. There are several options to send money from Mexico to Canada, including online money transfer services, banks, and money transfer operators. Online services such as TransferWise, PayPal, and Z Money Transfer are popular options as they offer competitive exchange rates and low fees. To send money using an online service, you need to create an account, verify your identity, and add the recipient's details. Then, you can enter the amount you want to send and review the exchange rate and fees. Once you have confirmed the details, you can pay for the transfer using your bank account or credit card. If you prefer to use a bank, you can visit a bank branch in Mexico and provide the recipient's details and your own information. The bank will then process the transfer and deduct the fees from your account. Another option is to use a money transfer operator such as Western Union or MoneyGram. These services have physical locations in Mexico where you can visit and send money to Canada. You will need to provide the recipient's details and pay for the transfer in cash. Regardless of the method you choose, make sure to compare the exchange rates and fees before making the transfer. You should also check the transfer limits and processing times to ensure that the money arrives on time. Finally, once you have sent the money, you should receive a confirmation and a tracking number. You can use this number to track the status of the transfer and ensure that the money has been received by the recipient. In conclusion, sending money from Mexico to Canada is a relatively simple process if you follow the right steps. By choosing the best method, gathering the required information, and comparing the exchange rates and fees, you can ensure that your transfer is successful and cost-effective.